Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Discover app not working on Android or iPhone. First, restart your phone to clear temporary system glitches. After restarting, open the Discover app and see if it loads properly. If not, check for an update. Head over to your app store, search for Discover mobile app, and then see if you have updated your app or not. If not, make sure to update it. Updating it ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so it is very important that you update your app to the latest version. Then on Android, clear app cache. On iPhone, long press on the Discover app icon, click on remove app, then delete the app. After deletion, to reinstall it, open App Store, search for Discover Mobile, and then click on the install option. Now, most not working issues are fixed after a restart or a fresh app install, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.